Good morning, students. I hope you must be good at your home. It's your English class. Let's complete this worksheet after writing the beginning sound of each picture. Okay? So let's start. Which picture is this? This is a picture of a bus. So which alphabet is missing here? B, B. B, A, S, bus. This is a picture of map. M, map. M is missing here. This is a picture of sun. Sun. So alphabet S is missing here. Okay. Lid. This is a lid. L, lid. Web. Web means जाला. So W की साउंड आ रही तो क्या लिखेंगे हम? W. Dog. D मिसिंग है यहाँ पे. DOG dog. Dog. Nut. This is a picture of nut. N is missing here. Nut. Ten. T is missing here. Ten. This is a jam. What is this? Jam. J is missing here, so we will write here Jam. That's all.